Hey guys, today I was really bored laying on my bed thinking, what do I do? And then it hit me. Oh my gosh, I know what to do. So I went over and I grabbed this old pair of jeans that has a ginormous hole in it. Do you see that hole? Yeah. Well, I can't wear pants with a ginormous hole in it. So I was like, what should I do with these? I have an idea. I was gonna turn them into shorts. Ta-da! Here's a list of what you guys will need for this DIY. First, I need to change my shirt. Second, I'm going to need to take off these leggings and put on the jeans. There we go. These have a ginormous rip in the knee, as you can see. They just got worn over time because it just started off with a normal rip in the knee, like how you buy the jeans. And then after time, it just burst, and I can't wear them anymore. They're unwearable. So I'm going to show you guys how to make them into shorts, and maybe you can learn something. Starting off, what you're going to want to do is look down and say, how short do I want these? And I looked in the mirror, and I just marked how short I wanted them. Remember, you can always make them shorter, but you can never add length back on. So just make them longer, because you can always trim it. Lay them down on a flat surface, and I just took my blue chalk and I made the line more visible so I knew where I was cutting. And actually, I made mine too short, so I made the line down a little lower so I had more material to work with. Now take your measuring tape and measure exactly how long it is so each side can be the same exact length because we want them to be different lengths. And then you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. You can also just take the leg you cut off and use that to measure how long it is. Now cut the leg off. They look pretty good. I'm going to try them on. They're looking okay so far. They're very tight to my skin. This would work way better with like baggy jeans. This is me attempting to stretch the material out. I'm gonna make them shorter because I don't like the length. Ready for this transition? Oh, well that was, I know, just transition got over here. They're boring, so I'm gonna try and distress the bottoms. So take tweezers and just pluck out the strings to give it that distressed look. This is me doing it. This probably took me like 15 minutes. It did take a while, but the end result is pretty nice. FYI, this makes a mess. So they're done. This is how they turned out. They look really nice. I'm going to do one more step. I'm going to grab a nail file and I'm just going to rub it along the bottom to add to the distressed look. It helps. And, yep. They're all done and I'm going to try them on. So, something went really wrong. I messed up. Okay, I'll show you. I made a ginormous rip trying to stretch them out. It was an accident. I was just trying to stretch them, and I'm really sad because I just spent 2 hours of my life wasted. So, I don't know what to do. So, here's a lesson. You live and you learn, okay?